Okay, so you've been trying to figure out how to go out and find the best off-market deals so that way you can make a sustainable profit. Well, that's what today's video is all about. REI, Geek Swag, it's your time to get a bag. I'm gonna make this into a two-part series. The first video is gonna talk about all of the ways that you can go out and find off-market deals using offline tactics. And in the second video, somewhere on down the line, which you will get, I'm gonna talk about how you can find the best off-market deals using online tactics. Before we go ahead and jump into today's topic, you wanna click the subscribe bell button somewhere on the screen to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the latest, greatest content that I have to deliver to you in regards to wholesaling real estate to help you achieve your financial goals in 2022. Stay tuned. So without further ado, here we are talking about the best ways to find off-market deals using offline strategies. The number one way to find off-market deals, guys, is what we call driving for dollars. And although you're just now getting started in wholesaling real estate, I'm pretty sure that this term is common and familiar to you. Exactly what it says, my friend. You're gonna hop in your car, you're gonna gas your tank up, and then you're gonna drive into low to median income areas. These areas where the housing values are anywhere from maybe 50 to 200,000 in today's market. This is where you're going to find a plethora of vacant properties that you can gather the addresses and then come back, do some homework and figure out who the owner is. So now you can send them a postcard, you can skip trace them, cold call them, and even send them a text message to see if they have an interest in selling their property. Now, what's very key is you identify all the cash transaction areas in your specific market. And again, this is going to be the low to median income areas. You want to stay away from driving in affluent areas, guys, because vacant properties are going to be very few, far and in between. And the ones that are actually vacant in these areas, ladies and gentlemen, chances are they're going to have a sign in the yard listed with a realtor. And we don't want a middleman in the way. We want to be direct to the seller. Now, I'm not saying that dealing with agents is bad and it's going to hinder your business, but at the end of the day, you want to be connected to the source, because if you're connected to the source, now you can deal with the source one-on-one efficiently on how to get that transaction done, figure out what their needs are, and you're going to create solutions to their needs. Now, the second offline strategy that you can deploy to find motivated sellers are Bandit Signs. That's right, Bandit Signs. Those are those cheap 18 by 24 signs that you see posted in the middle of the highway at the corner of a major intersection, advertising whatever business or product that they have to sell. Well, you're looking for motivated sellers. So on these signs, you're going to write, "We buy houses in any condition, in any situation." And then you're going to have a number under that, so that way they can get in contact with you. Now, you want to be very smart not to put your personal number down there. If I were you, I would create a Google Voice number and then now have those calls forwarded to your personal cell phone, because you don't want any and everyone out there in the world to have your personal cell phone, do you? Another awesome offline tactic to help you find motivated sellers is through other wholesalers in your market. Now, you may be saying, "Well,
TJ, aren't those guys my competition?"
Listen, I wouldn't look at other wholesalers being your competition. I would look at other wholesalers being your partners, because if they have buyers and you have deals that you can't sell, you can use those buyers to help you sell your deals, and now you guys can share in the profits and vice versa. If the other wholesaler has deals and you have buyers, guess what? You can now take those deals and start to market them to your buyers, add your fee, and guess what? You guys get to share in the profits that way as well. So guys, other wholesalers are definitely a viable source for you to connect and find motivated sellers. Now, I know you may be saying to yourself,
"TJ, where am I to find these wholesalers that are hanging out?"
Offline. Guys, other wholesalers are hanging out at what we call REIAs, R-E-I-A, Real Estate Investment Association Clubs. And they're located everywhere throughout the country. All you have to do is go to meetup.com, put in your city, real estate, and then from there, you're going to find all of the networking clubs in regards to wholesaling real estate or just real estate, period, in your market. Now, you want to make sure that you go to these REIAs and you want to introduce yourself as being a local wholesaler who can provide a lot of value, meaning that you have an extensive buyer's database and you would love to help them get their property sold. So you want to get their information, such as their name, their email address, and their phone number, log that into your database so that now you're on their list. Give them your information too as well. So every deal that they have now, they're going to e-blast it out or they're going to text blast it out. You can take these deals and start marketing to your buyers. Last but not least, which is my least favorite way to go about finding motivated sellers using offline tactics, is good old traditional door knocking. That's right. Listen, ladies and gentlemen.
Who really wants to go out there and door knock?
Now, if everyone's thinking like that, guess what? That means there's a lot of room for opportunity for you to capitalize on it. You just got to have the grit, work ethic, and determination to say to yourself that I'm going to do whatever it takes for me to be successful in this business. And I guarantee you, if you stay consistent door knocking, you will get leads of people who are interested in selling their home. You're going to approach them. You're going to just walk up to the door.
Hey, I see your property here. I just want to know, are you interested in selling your home now or even in the near future?
And if they say yes, then you take the next step forward, right? This business is not rocket science. All you have to do is put in the work. Now, your results may not come right away. Don't expect them to come right away. Okay. But if you continue to put in the work and you continue to plant seeds, those opportunities are going to come in a rush. And it's going to be a little overwhelming. You're not going to know what to do. So guys, listen, if this video has added any value to you today, make sure that you like it. Make sure that you put your comments down below. And of course, make sure that you subscribe to the channel because we're going to continuously drop heat, giving you the flavor that you need to become successful in wholesaling real estate 2022 to achieve all of your financial goals. This is your boy TJ Hines at REI Geek Swag on Instagram, right here on YouTube, REI Geek Swag U. Until the next time, I'll see you later. Peace.